If you've lost access to your CleverTap account and can't use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the CleverTap login page. Go to the CleverTap website and navigate to the login page. Look for the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from CleverTap in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password for your account. Ensure that your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the CleverTap login page and enter your email address along with the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to CleverTap's customer support for further assistance.